Hey lovelies, welcome to Bleny Allures. Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to make your own bra cup. As shown in the video, you can see that this is a bra cup, mostly for those clients that have big busts that you can't see their size in the market. So you can just go ahead and make your own bra cup for your client. And for those who do not have a fund to buy bra cup or do not have their size in the market, too big, too small, you can make your own bra cup with this tutorial. So please watch the video till the end. Thank you, my old subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. If you know you are new to my channel and you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. If you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. It is totally free. Please support my channel by giving this video a like, at least giving it a thumbs up, and also sharing the link of this video to others on your Facebook page, on your WhatsApp status. Please share it on Instagram also. So we'll go straight to drafting of this bra cup. So first thing we're going to do, we are going to draw our chest line, which is there, then our bust point, then our under bust, which is the three line there. Then the next thing we are going to do our nipple to nipple measurement, dividing it by 2. Mine is 3.5. Then I'll go ahead above the chest line. I'm going to measure 2 inches as shown in the video. You can measure 1.5 inches, depend on you. So you connect it down to meet the chest line as shown in the video. Just curve it as if it is sweetheart shape. Then as you can see at the midpoint there, I left half inch there. So you go ahead and leave half inch there. Then you connect the line down there. So if you don't want your cleavage to show, use the 2 inches. You can go ahead also to use 1.5 inches, that is at that point there above your chest line. So that is for the shape at the up. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to connect that half inch that we left. We are going to measure half inch at the bust point also, then connect it to meet the bust point, from the chest line to meet the bust point. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to go to the under bust there. I'm going to take 1.5 inch at both side, 1.5 inch, that is both of them making it 3 inches. So I'll go ahead and measure the 1.5 inch on both sides, 1.5 at the right and at the left. Then I'll connect it down to meet the bust point, so I've connected to meet the bust point. So that's what I will do at both sides. So remember, the bust point is 10 inches from your shoulder measurement down to down is 10 inches. So I'll go ahead and I have connected it. I've gone ahead to connect it. As you can see, I use my free hand to do that, to shaping that. So what I'm going to do is to connect the bust point at the left side and connect it to meet the dart as shown in the video. Then we are going to go ahead at the right side of it. You measure, the nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 was 3.5. So this time around, we are not going to measure 3.5. We'll go ahead and add half inch to this other side. Then you connect it to meet the under bust measurement. You can see as shown in the video, I've connected it. So at the bust point, I'm just going to go ahead and measure half inch upward at the right side and connect it to meet the midpoint of the nipple to nipple as shown. I'll also do that to the left side of this bra cup. I'm going to go ahead and measure half inch upward at the bust point. And that will be all for the drafting of this bra cup. So it all depends on your client. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So it all depends on your client. So you go ahead and use your client's under bust measurement, and you see that it really come at your bust nipple to nipple point. All right, so you see I went ahead to label it so that I won't find it hard recognizing it after cutting it on my wording. You can see I use the regular breast pad that they use the normal breast part, but this is not really that strong. It's just a little bit strong. So I went ahead to cut it, and I've cut it, and I also labeled the breast pad, also the pad also. So the next thing to do is to connect the right, that is number 2, and number 3 together. You can see you don't have to sew it this way. You have to place it one on top the other. Place one on top the other. I forgot to tell you also that when cutting it, ensure that you leave allowance like 1/4 inch on all the sides. So you place it on each other and sew with your sewing machine, and you will see that the curved part will come out. So I have done that. You can automatically, you can see that it just came out well. Like I told you, don't have to place it side by side. You have to place number 2 on number 3. Let it just overlap at the up part of it. So I've joined 2 and 3 together. So I'm going to go ahead and join number 1 to number 2 and 3. As shown in the video, you are going to see place it on top it, that is going to overlap. So you go to your sewing machine gently and you sew it the way I have shown you in the video. You just sew it straight. You can see it's already curved out without me sewing it. So go ahead and do that. And ensure that you top stitch it. You sew it twice. You can see the bra cup is already out and our bra cup is out. This is size 32 of the bra cup in the already made, and it just really fits perfectly. I tried it on my client and it really fit perfectly. You can see how it went. So ensure that you do that. You know your bust to bust measurement, that is your nipple to nipple measurement. Then also you know the exact under bust measurement of your client, and you are going to produce a very good bra cup. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button. It is free. Please click on the subscribe button and do well to turn on the notification bell. um, please share this link with other people so that they can benefit from this also. And also follow me on Instagram, Bleny Allures, my Facebook page, Bleny Allures. Follow me there, and you see useful tips that will help you. So see you in our next tutorial. I'll be putting another tutorial very soon. I would love to see the finished work of your bra cup. You can post the picture. You can send the picture to me on Instagram, Bleny Allures. So I'll be waiting for your finished work. Bye.